Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at one of the most exciting new entries in the sport bike world, the 2024 CFMoto 750SS. This bike is turning heads with its sleek design, impressive performance, and unbeatable value. If you're thinking of stepping into the middleweight sport bike game, you'll want to stick around for this one. The CFMoto 750SS is a stunning machine that blends aggressive styling with modern aerodynamics. Up front, you've got a sharp LED headlight design that looks like it belongs on a high-end European sport bike. The fairings are sculpted to slice through the air, and the rear tail section adds to its sporty vibe. This bike is as much about performance as it is about turning heads. And let's talk colors. CFMoto offers the 750SS in several striking finishes, including a bold blue and black combination that screams track ready. The 750SS offers a sporty but comfortable riding position. The clip-on handlebars are positioned just right, so you get that aggressive feel without completely sacrificing comfort. It's designed for both spirited rides and longer commutes. Plus, the seat is well padded, and there's a pillion seat for two-up riding. Though let's be honest, this bike is built for solo fun. The parallel twin engine sounds fantastic, and it's all thanks to CFMoto's refined engineering. And check out this full-colored TFT display. It's one of the best in its class, offering customizable layouts, Bluetooth connectivity, and all the essential ride information at a glance. Under the fairings, the CFMoto 750SS packs a 693cc parallel twin engine, putting out 74 horsepower and 50 lv-ft of torque. That means plenty of punch for highway sprints and carving up twisty roads. It's paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch for smooth downshifts. The bike's lightweight frame makes handling incredibly agile. At just over 400 pounds, the 750-pounder feels planted yet nimble, giving you confidence in the corners and excitement on the straights. CFMoto didn't cut corners on hardware. The 750SS comes with a fully adjustable KYB suspension setup, so you can tune it to your riding style. For stopping power, you've got dual DS brakes up front with radio mount calipers, ensuring precise and strong braking performance. And those sticky Pirelli Angel GT tires keep you glued to the road. This bike is also packed with tech. You get multiple riding modes, sport and rain, to adjust throttle response and power delivery. There's also traction control, ABS, and a quick shifter available on higher trims. For a bike at this price point, the features are downright impressive. So, who's the 2024 CFMoto 750SS for? If you're a rider looking for an affordable yet high-performing middleweight sport bike, this is a fantastic option. At around $7,500, it offers premium features, thrilling performance, and a design that can easily compete with bikes twice its price. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more bike reviews and riding tips. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the CFMoto 750SS? Would you take one for a spin? Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down. Catch you on the next ride, only here on upcoming bike updates.